Hello and welcome to Lesson 27, page 200. This is the song titled The Eyes of F in our Level 1 book. And students, we're learning a brand new note in the bass clef today, which is F, hence the title, The Eyes of F. And F is a pretty easy note to remember in our bass clef. And the secret lies with these two dots right here that are right over, there's rather a line that runs between it. And I'm going to draw something that we talked about really early on in our staff learning. We might not remember it, and that's okay. Oop, that wasn't the best line. But they used to call the bass clef the F clef. And the F that they would draw probably looked a little bit fancier, maybe something like this. And that's because they would call this an Old English F, and that's what they used to draw on the bass clef here, and it's kind of evolved over the years. And the line that runs through the two dots is the F line, and that's why they used to call it the F clef as well. It would show you where F is on the staff. So that's kind of like our line on the bass staff that gives us a hint. Hey, the line that runs through the two dots is the F line. And remember, they used to call it the F clef, if that helps you remember that it is the note F. And there's only one other note in this song, The Eyes of F, and it's G. So F is our line note, the note that has a line going through it, and G is the space note. Now we're in 3/4 time. Remember, that's 3 beats in every measure, and a quarter note equals 1 beat. So there needs to be at least 3 walk notes or something equal to that amount of 3 beats in every measure. Now the only other symbols I see here that we want to remember, students, are these. These are ties, remember. And ties, they tie the beats together just like you might tie your shoes. And so this is a dotted half note and this is a dotted half note. So that means this G we're going to hold for 6 total beats. And the same thing, oops, that wasn't a good 6. And the same thing for the last one down here. This is an F, and we're going to hold it for 6 total beats as well. All right, so let's check out the notes in our song, The Eyes of F. It says finger 3 is on our new note, F, on the bass staff. So we'll take our left hand and go finger 1, 2, 3 goes on F right here. Okay? And then that means for the note G, we're going to use finger 2. Okay, so we just have F and G. Remember, this is a left hand only song because we are doing the bass clef. So let's slowly play the notes in the first line, and then we'll try it at a steady beat. So just play the notes with me, starting with the F here. Okay, here we go, playing F. And then we're going to play the next note, play a G. And we're just getting used to pressing the notes on the line. Now back to which note? F. Let's go to the second measure. What note comes next? Then it's a G for 2. And after that, we play an F. And now let's move to the third measure here. What's our first note? F. And then a G. Back to F. And then a G for 3 beats. G, 2, 3. Okay, now let's give that our first try at a steady beat. Line number 1. 1, 2. Here we go. Play F, G, F, G for 2, F, F, G, F, G, 2, 3, and off. Very good. Now the next line here, it looks like we get 3 Fs in a row, 3 Gs in a row, and then a G for how long? 6 beats, that's right. So we're going to hold that for 6 total beats. So let's just give this line a try. I think we can handle it. 3 Fs, 3 Gs, then holding a G for 6 beats. Are you ready? Trying it at a steady beat. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. F, 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 G, 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 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Moving to our third line, it's the exact same as our first line. So let's give it a try for the extra practice. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. F, G, F, G for 2. F, F, G, F, G, 2, 3. Excellent. Now the last line, students, is the same as our second line, except for what? Don't let this trick you. It's an F for 6 beats at the end instead of our G. So let's go ahead and give that last line a try at a steady beat. 1, 2, 3, last line. Play F, 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 G, 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 F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent work. And now I'm going to go back to the beginning and we're going to try our first full performance at a steady beat. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, here we go. F, G, F, G for 2, F, F, G, F, G, 2, 3. Line 2. F, 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 G, 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 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third line. F, G, F, G for 2. F, F, G, F, G, 2, 3. Last line. F, 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 G, 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 F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great job on completing the song The Eyes of F, and I will see you on the next one.